Sunny Beach, the Black Sea's largest and most popular resort, stands true to its name, with a large stretch of powdery golden beach enjoying several months of uninterrupted sunshine between May and September. In reality, this resort dates back to 1958, when tourists came to the natural mineral baths during the communist era. The resort has been greatly impacted by Bulgaria's property boom in recent years, with many people, particularly British, flocking to the country to buy villas after discovering a reasonably inexpensive seaside location. Of course, the sheer volume of new building has resulted in what was once a single row of hotels along the waterfront becoming hundreds. This results in a bustling resort with a diverse range of hotels, restaurants, water sport, pubs and clubs to choose from, as well as a rising number of guests each summer. A promenade runs through the middle of the 8-kilometer beach, connecting most of the stores, supermarkets, bars and restaurants, as well as post offices, travel agency and the bus station. More than 5 million visitors visited the resort in 2018. It is located between Burgas and Varna, Bulgaria's two major towns and important seaport on the Black Sea coast. Burgas Airport and Varna Airport, both international airports, are the primary hubs serving the resort and the region. Burgas Airport, located between Burgas city center and Sunny Beach Resort, serves the southeast of Bulgaria. The airport is served by 75 airlines and has 141 destinations. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Sunny Beach has tennis, basketball and volleyball facilities, as well as mini-golf, bicycles, rowing and sailing boats, scooters, water skiing and pedal boats. Excursions by land, sea and air are available as part of intriguing tourism routes to numerous Bulgarian cultural landmarks. You may also participate in rally safaris, when thrill seekers descend steep mountain slopes. Sunny Beach reaches the eastern Balkan mountain in the north. This results in a beautiful blend of marine environment and pure alpine air. The old village of Nesebr, which is an architectural and historical site recognized by UNESCO, is located in the southern portion of the resort, on a peninsula. It has one-of-a-kind ambience that is rich in history and romance. The historic city incorporates thousands of years of history, including Roman and Middle Age fortifications, rare Byzantine and Old Bulgarian churches, and charming Bulgarian revival buildings. Sunny Beach's natural surroundings and environmental standards are unique. It has a mountainous and seascape atmosphere. The beach is covered with excellent yellow-golden sand, and the water is clear and pure with minimal salinity. The climate is maritime with mild winters, warm summers and cool evenings. Sunshine lasts an average of 2,300 hours every year. Natural sand dunes with over 16 types of rare plants may still be seen. Sunny Beach received the renowned Blue Flag Award, which is presented to beaches and marinas that go above and beyond in protection of the environment.